Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register to the YONO SBI, that's State Bank of India's online banking account. So first of all, you need to download the YONO SBI Banking and Lifestyle. So this is the official app of YONO SBI, either from your Play Store or App Store. So once downloaded, open the app. Now on the bottom of the screen, you will see your option with existing customer. Tap on it. Now tap on the second option, which is register with my ATM card option. Now enter your account number in the first box here, then your date of birth in the second box, and afterwards, if you have a referral ID or a mobile number of any of the banking staff, then write it here, but it's an optional part. And again, tap on the next option, which is on the bottom of the screen, and then follow these steps till the end. So that's how you can register yourself to the online banking of YONO SBI using your ATM card number. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.